How to change email signature in Outlook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Outlook on your device and make sure that you are signed in. And now in order to change your email signature, go ahead and tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for account. So tap on the account option and you will then see the option for signatures. Tap on the signature option and at the bottom you will be able to see your signature. So tap on the edit button you see there beside your signature and you will now be able to make changes to your signature. So go ahead and make any required changes to your signature and then tap on the save button you see there in order to save the changes that you just made. And now if you go ahead and compose a new email, you will receive your new signature and the old one will no longer be visible. So this was about how you can change your email signature in Outlook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.